Hi, this is Joshua coming to you from Pacific Power Source in Irvine, Southern California. Today we're looking at our model 3210AGX series and how to navigate the SmartSource suite control software, quickly get set up and testing. All right, let's take a look. This is the home screen for the power source. This is where you're going to find all of your information, including serial number, model number, and firmware version. From here, you can go directly into the configuration section, and under unit settings is where you're going to tell the power source to be what it is that you need for your application. Voltage source, current source, or active load if you have that feature, 3-phase, single phase, AC, DC voltage, and several other settings in here. Once you have that done, you can go into user limits and set minimum and maximum programmable values to the voltage and frequency. These are just additional safety features. Once you have both of those set up, you can go ahead and come right into your protections underneath your control section. And this is where you can set values and time limits for additional protection of your EUT. You can from here also set up your transients. You can edit and create waveforms. Once you've done this, go into program, set your static values and any current or power limits you want to have, and then come down to program memory. Program memory is where you can store all of the settings you just made into a register for recall at a later time. If you have multiple programs, I highly recommend going through this process until you have all of your programs set up to 100. And once you have all of your programs stored, then go to the system. Go underneath import and export, and you can export a system file that will record all of that information and all of your hard work. This is great in case anybody comes in and edits any of the programs or sanitizes the unit without you knowing. All right, thank you again. Remember, some options shown here are model specific, may not be available on your particular unit. Please contact your sales representative for further details. And just as a last chance reminder to hit that like button and follow us for additional content. Thank you again. Wish you the best.